looks like a dead animal. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting off my hair. This is a photo that I'm using as a size guide, and according to the photo, my hair length is anywhere between 95 to 110 centimeters. And if my calculations are correct, aka Google, that makes it about 37.4 inches, 38. So my hair is pretty long. I do want to definitely trim the ends and maybe add some layers in here because I have no shape. I'm going to be trying the butterfly haircut with the 2 ponytails and everything, so hopefully it comes out good. If not, I will be going to the salon right after. Just sitting down, you guys can see that I have a blanket on my legs. First things first is brush out any of the knots. I also shed a lot. I don't think a haircut is going to change that, but if it can help at least a little bit, that would be amazing. I'm using my shears that I've had since cosmetology school. So I'm supposed to start parting at the crown of my head, supposedly. Okay, so something like that. That is still a lot of hair. I'm just gonna comb it out. Now I look like a unicorn. Okay, now this one is supposed to come all the way up. Oh, my arms! My arms are getting tired. I need to go to the gym. Almost there. Still at it. Okay, so here are my 2 ponies. I have heavy long hair, my goodness. I feel like even my back is hurting. Whew. I'm grabbing some hair cutting shears. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this much. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay, I think that's a good amount. My daughter took my comb, so hopefully I don't need it. Okay, 1 pony done. I'm also gonna brush this big horsetail one last time. Whew, my arm muscles. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this much. I think that should be good, right? Look at that tail. It looks like a dead animal. Okay, this looks a little crazy. Let's just trust the process. Moment of truth. How bad is it? See, this is why I shouldn't do things out of impulse. Okay, this looks scary. One good brush before we judge our hard work. Okay, this is what I'm working with. So it still touches my legs. This side looks longer than this side. It's already bad. So I am going to go straighten my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't hate it, but I don't love it yet. As I was doing it, I saw a few imperfections. So I'm going to grab my handy dandy shears and just give that unevenness a little trim. Just a little trim right here. Little randoms. I wanted to straighten it first so I could see all the imperfections, and then I can curl as I please, because curling always makes your hair look nice, even if it's like super chopped. And this is what it looks like from the back. Okay, now I'm gonna go curl it really fast so you guys can see the full potential. Okay guys, I think I love it now. So this is normally how I do my hair when I go out anyways, and I like it. What do you guys think? It feels a lot less heavy too, which I really like because I was struggling. My hair is very full and heavy, so I almost feel like this helped thin it out a little bit, and I love it, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think I did a good job or a bad job, or if I should still touch it up, or if I need to go to the salon. And this is the back. Alright guys, so that is everything for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.